Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to do a simple test to know the type of your soil in your area by using simple materials that you can find around your home. I was born in Melaka but then raised until I'm 7 in Negeri Sembilan, to be exact in Kampung Sri Gendong, and it is actually located at the foot of Banjaran Titiwangsa. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Syahir bin Abdullah, currently pursuing my degree in civil engineering at University Tun Hussein On, Johor, Malaysia. Today, I would like to know the type of soil here. Then, without wasting our time, let's get digging. For the jar test, first you need to collect some soil samples. Take the soil sample from 2 or 3 different places in the same area so we can get the average. Find a container with a tight lid and make sure it is regular in shape and has a flat bottom so that we can get a much accurate result. Now it's time to put our soil samples into the container. Remove any earthworm, roots and big stones. If you have hard lumps of soil, it is a good idea to break them up. It will make mixing much easier. Take the soil and add it to the jar until it is about 3/4 full. Now add water to the jar. You need to leave some space at the top for mixing. Now close the jar tightly and shake. You want to make sure that the soil is broken up to individual particles. Let the jar aside for 24 hours. Below are some of the common results you may see. The first type of soil is sandy soil. If this is your soil texture, you will notice sandy particles sinking and forming a layer on the bottom of the jar. The water will also appear fairly clear. Sandy soils drain quickly but do not hold nutrients well. Next is clay soil. When your water remains cloudy with only a thin layer of dirt particles on the bottom, then you have clay-like soil. The water stays murky because it takes longer for the clay particles to settle. Silty soils may also mimic these results. Clay soils do not drain well and may cause problems with soggy plant roots and other nutrient issues. Next one is peaty soil. If you have a lot of debris floating on the surface of a small amount of sediment on the bottom, then your soil may be peat-like. This also results in somewhat cloudy water, though not as murky as with clay soil. This soil is very organic but isn't nutrient-rich and is prone to waterlogging, though adding amendments that can make it suitable for plant growing. Additionally, peat soil is acidic. Next is chalky soil. With chalky soil, there will be a layer of white, grit-like fragments along the bottom of the jar, and the water will take a pale greyish color as well. Unlike peaty soil, soil. This is the soil we can only hope to achieve, as it is considered the ideal soil type and texture. If you are lucky enough to have loamy soil, then you will notice clear water with a layered sediment on the bottom, with the finest particles on the top. There is a lot of unused land space here, so my father is planning to grow a garden on the land. Hence, I think this is a great chance to actually know the suitability of the soil here.
Nice.
Now let's see the results. Use a marker to mark the level of sand, silt and clay. And then take your ruler and measure the thickness of each layer. To determine your type of soil, we are going to use soil texture triangle. This might look a little bit confusing, but I will show you how to use it in just a sec. But first, we need to find the percentage of each layer by dividing its thickness by the overall thickness times by 100, and then you will get the percentage of each layer. Your sum of percentage should be 100. Now let's see how to mark the value on the triangle. First, mark 7.4% on the clay side and make a straight line to the silt side of the triangle. Then mark 44.8% on the silt side and make a straight line to the sand side. Lastly, mark the value on the sand side and make a straight line to the clay side. The intersection of these lines represents our type of soil. Based on the triangle, we get the type of soil is sandy loam. In gardens and lawns, sandy loam soils are capable of quickly draining excess water but cannot hold significant amounts of water or nutrients for your plants. It is also will require more frequent irrigation and fertilization than soils with a higher concentration of clay and sediment. It is also often deficient in specific micronutrients and may require additional fertilization to support healthy plant growth. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, and that is very much appreciated. So, thank you.